welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Easy buttery pecan squares. Let's get to it. Let's get to the first step. I have a bowl here. I'm going to add a little salt, the all-purpose flour, the sugar, and the unsalted butter. Then I'm going to take my hand and mix the butter into the flour and the sugar. We want to make crumbs. We want to mix it until it looks like little crumbs. I think this is mixed up enough. Now I have a square pan here, lined with foil paper. You can line it also with parchment paper if you like. Now we're going to put this in the pan. Then we're going to press it down.
So this is going to turn out kind of like Rice Krispies, but pecan.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
You know the Rice Krispie treats?
It's everything you would put in a pecan pie, but a pecan pie is with a shell, a pie shell.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's going to be, the squares are going to be like, when you cut it, it's going to be like a Rice
Krispie brownie.
Or a Rice Krispie treat.
Oh, you could say that.
That's what I'm getting at.
And they're going to press this down evenly. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. I have my oven set to 385 degrees.
So what is the next step?
We're going to make the filling for the pecan squares. I have some egg in this bowl, and I'm going to take a whisk and whisk it up. Then I'm going to add the corn syrup. We're going to whisk this up.
Hey, everybody. The ingredients are going to be in the description box below. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Help us get it in the algorithm.
Now we're going to add some salt, the brown sugar, the vanilla extract.
This is moving pretty quickly.
Yeah, this is a quick and simple dish. Something sweet you want. If you get, for those people who have that sweet tooth.
Now, I can't call this a budget dish because the pecans are expensive. They're not cheap.
And the last thing is, we're going to add the pecans. And the crust, I forgot to say, I have the crust baking for about 18 to 20 minutes. Now I've taken the crust out of the oven, and we're going to pour the filling in. Then we're going to put it back in the oven and bake this for 30 to 35 minutes.
I'm so amazed at how simple this is to do. It's not really complicated at all.
Here you have it. Easy, buttery pecan squares. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.